Getting lean doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need extreme diets, painful hours of cardio, or miracle pills. In this video, we'll break down the smartest, science-backed, and easiest strategies to shed fat while keeping your hard-earned muscle. No matter your age, gender, or starting point. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a plan that actually works and lasts. Let's start with the basic truth. Fat loss is simple science. You must be in an energy deficit. That means consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain weight. But here's the twist. It's not just about losing weight. It's about losing fat while protecting your muscle mass. How? Just 5 fundamentals for you. Number 1, energy deficit. Without it, fat loss won't happen. Number 2, progressive resistance training. This tells your body to hold on to muscle. Number 3, appropriate deficit size. Aim for 0.5 to 1% body weight loss per week. Number 4, high protein intake, around 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Number 5, cardio in moderation. Think of it as a support tool, not the main engine. You might wonder, are some foods magically better for fat loss? The answer for you will be calories and macros matter most. However, the types of food you choose can make your journey much easier. Focus on this: single ingredient whole foods, lean meats, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruits, whole grains. High satiety foods, foods that keep you full longer. Limit hyper-palatable, ultra-processed foods, but don't ban them completely. Allow small treats to stay consistent long-term. Think of it as building a diet you enjoy and can stick to, not a prison sentence. There's a difference between beach lean and competition shredded. Beach lean is a healthy, sustainable level of leanness where you can see your abs, feel energetic, and live normally. Getting stage-ready shredded? That's an extreme process. Longer dieting, higher discipline, and often discomfort. If your goal is health and confidence, aim for beach lean. It's easier to maintain and much better for long-term well-being. Everyone has stubborn fat areas. For men, often lower abs or lower back. For women, hips and thighs. The truth is, you can't spot reduce, but you can build muscle in those areas to look leaner. Keep dieting consistently, eventually the body will use those fat stores. Patience is key. The last bit of fat is always the hardest to lose. Most diets failed not because of lack of knowledge, but because of poor sustainability. Avoid the shiny object syndrome, jumping from one trendy diet to another. Instead, create habits you can repeat without constant willpower. Design your environment for success. Keep high-calorie snacks out of sight. Make healthy choices easier than unhealthy ones. Self-control is powerful in the beginning, but habits win in the long run. Keeping the weight off is the real challenge. Successful long-term maintainers tend to, number 1, use some form of cognitive restraint, like as tracking calories, setting meal rules, or fasting windows. Number 2, self-monitor regularly, weigh in weekly, track habits. Number 3, exercise consistently. It boosts satiety signals. Number 4, follow structured programs, meal plans, coaching, or apps. Number 5, value long-term goals over short-term cravings. Once you hit your goal, you can eat more than during your diet, but the habits you've built must stay. Do fat burners work? Most are overhyped. They either slightly boost energy expenditure, reduce hunger, or block nutrient absorption. But side effects, poor evidence, or minimal impact make them less attractive. Supplements worth considering, not for fat loss directly, but for supporting your diet. Creatine, for strength and muscle retention. Whey protein, to hit protein goals. Fish oil, for essential fatty acids. Multivitamins, and vitamin D for nutrient gaps. So, the smartest and easiest way to get lean comes down to create a sensible calorie deficit. Lift weights to keep muscle. Eat mostly whole, high-satiety foods. Use cardio wisely. Build habits for life, not just the next 4 weeks. Forget magic pills, extreme restrictions, or chasing trends. This is about sustainable, science-backed progress that works for you. If you start today, take it one step at a time, and commit to the process, you'll not only get lean, you'll stay lean.